Xfire with us, and this thing for the specifications and taken into consideration the $50 price range is a beast. So now let's do a quick unboxing of the same. The box is a bit stiff, and here we have the quick start guide. Let's just put aside a scratch guard, the mobile phone itself, and some other accessories out here which might we have the charging adapter. Looks kinda cheap, but you can't complain as you can't expect more from a $50 phone. And this might be the charging cable. And yes, it is the charging cable. The quality of the charging cable, let's have a look at it. It's pretty normal actually. Micro USB cable. So now, let's power up the phone. The build quality is pretty good, and the plastic doesn't feel cheap in hand. Like, if you don't know the price of the phone, you can't actually make out that it is actually a $50 phone. Let's have a quick look at the specifications of the phone. It has the 8 megapixel camera, rear camera, and front 5 megapixel camera. It runs Android 5.1 out of the box and has 5.0 Quad HD display, IPS panel. It also has FM radio and everything. Dual SIM, also dual 4G SIMs. So now let's have a look at the phone itself. As you can see, it is all stock Android with the bluboo launcher. There are some icons, custom icons of bluboo included in it. Android 5.1 and the model is Xfire. Other great features included by bluboo are the smart wake. You can actually double tap to wake, or you can set it up as you want. You can slide left, etc. etc. The double tap to wake feature is a great as it is mainly offered in the higher price range of the smartphone. There is no lag or anything of such, as this device is powered by 2 gigabytes of RAM. So that's it. In short, this phone is a beast in $50 as it has 2 gigabytes of RAM. It runs 5.1 Android out of the box and runs vanilla Android like everyone needed. And the double tap to wake feature is also a good one. Goodbye and have a great day.